So guys, this is my controller, the one that comes with the PlayStation, and I have a second controller. So I'm going to connect the two right now. So I want to show you in this video how you can connect your two controllers to work the same with your PlayStation. So this is how you will do it. First, we are going to go to setting. You come to accessories, open your accessories, then you come to your Bluetooth. So if you don't see your second controller here right now, okay, so this is the second controller. Okay, what you will do, you are going to press the share button and your PS button at the same time, okay, until you see the light icons. You will see the light blink. So when the light blink, you see the controller came down because the light is still blinking. So you take this one down, you take it down to connect it. So as you can see it now, take it down, then you click on it, then you wait. Now you see now you say we should register it now. See, do you want to register this Bluetooth? You say yes, just say yes. Okay, just say yes. Now it's registered. Okay, as you can see, now it's registered. As you can see, it's registered. So what you will do now, you will take, you see the light now, here, you see the light here, and you see the light over here also. See the two lights now. Okay, so one thing there's one thing you will do now. It's not done yet. Go to your account, so sign in again and click on the quick play. So now it's connected. So now as you can see, the two controller is connected. As you can see, the two controller is connected now. Okay, so anytime I want to switch, I can switch. Okay guys, so this is how you connect it. Please subscribe to this channel for more tips or for more video like this. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.